What's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Here's another cinnamon bun recipe to add to your favorites list. This time, strawberry cheesecake cinnamon buns. It is strawberry dough filled with cheesecake filling and strawberries and more cheesecake icing slathered all over the top. So soft and fluffy and strawberry in every bite. Buns are really not hard to make, you just do need some time to let them do their thing, so let's get right to it. First, to make the dough, you'll get the yeast to the warmed up plant milk with a pinch of sugar to get that party started. Now today I am using freeze-dried strawberry powder to make the dough strawberry, but wait, don't go. If you can't get this ingredient, I do have a variation for you on my website. Just click the links below this video to grab everything that you're going to need. So go ahead and add the strawberry powder to the plant milk, and then once the yeast is all frothy, get it into your mixer bowl with the hook attachment, and then add that strawberry milk. The softened vegan butter, yeah, I know mine is more like melted butter, but it's okay, just get it in there. Next goes the sugar, the flour, the salt, and the spice, and that's really in no particular order. This is a straight dough mixing method, which is basically all the ingredients straight into the mixer bowl. Let it mix on medium speed for 5 minutes, then turn the speed down to low and mix for another 3 minutes. Now you can see this strawberry fruit powder really turns a beautiful vibrant color, and wait until you taste it. It is amazing. All right, so into the oiled bowl and let that dough rise in a warm spot, and it should take about 30 minutes to an hour depending on the conditions in your area. And in the meantime, you'll make the cheesecake filling, which is basically just vegan cream cheese, vegan butter, confectioner sugar, and cornstarch. And it's actually the same filling I use when I make my bakery style cheese danishes. So you may want to go check out that recipe too after you watch this one. But it is a mixed by hand recipe because vegan cream cheese just loves to turn to soup if you mix it too harshly. So yeah, just mix it all by hand and then set that aside. Now when the dough is ready, we're going to roll it out to about 12 inches by 10 inches. And this time I'm only making 6 buns, which is half the recipe from what I usually make. You could double this recipe if you want 12 buns instead. So spread the cheese filling over the dough and then sprinkle on the brown sugar cinnamon mixture, and last goes the freeze-dried strawberries. Now just roll that baby right up. Now, I like big buns, and I cannot lie, so I cut my whole log into 6 jumbo bakery-sized buns, but you can cut them smaller if you want smaller buns. Either way, get them into a greased cake pan, and for these 6 buns, an 8-inch by 8-inch pan was a good size. Now, like Jesus, we gotta let them rise again. Another hour or less, depending on the conditions in your area, but once they are fluffy and puffy, get them into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 35 to 45 minutes, and then just let them cool slightly before slathering on that cream cheese icing. Another sprinkle of that strawberry, and this big fluffy bun is gonna have you like, I don't even know what. All I know is that my first bite of this strawberry cheesecake cinnamon bun, I was in literal heaven. These are seriously the fluffiest, strawberriest, cinnamoniest buns you will ever try. So go grab the recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com. But before you go, a great big thank you to everyone for watching, liking, and commenting on my videos. All of that really helps this channel grow and stay relevant. Plus, I love reading your comments. Speaking of helping the channel, if you think you can help for as little as a cup of coffee a month, click the links below to find out how. My patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal are the reason all of this is still happening for free. So a great big thank you to those folks for the continued support. All right, everyone, thanks again for hanging out with me here for a few minutes a week. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.